Prithvi Mandalia here. Today I'm going to show you the basic Linux administrative commands. The list of Linux administrative commands is like we have a process management commands, we have a job management commands, we have a user and group management commands. So today I'm going to show you the process management commands. List is following: jobs along with a for FG and BG, which is a foreground and background processes. We have a kill command, which will kill the processes given by the process ID. We have a top command, which will enlist all the it is a traditional way to view your system's resources usage, which will allow you to actually see all the resources which is used by the current process. Along with, we have a PS command. PS command is used to enlist all the running processes. We have a PS aux command, where aux is abbreviates as A to show processes for all the users, U to display the processes owners and users, X is also to show a process not attached to a terminal. The We have a PS tree command also, which is a command to is another way to visualizing the process, where I will later show this PS tree and PS commands difference. Then we have a PS grab command also. Then we have a renice command. Renice command is used to change the nice value of nice value of already running process, where nice value is used to determine the priority of the running process. I'll show the example and we will see the what is it. Now we have a user and group management commands, where the user let's just quickly start the session. So first command is to make a foreground and background of the process. To initially, whenever we create any process, it's in foreground also, foreground only. So to make it as a background or to pause the process execution, we use a control plus Z. And now we click to the foreground, edit, then it will again become in the foreground. And if we see, if we write background G edit, so we will not be able to use any standard input output function or anything. Now we have a exam, so it will be open. Now we can run this also. So we can on the option menu. Now we will enlist the processes which is paused or which is running in time. Now we have a PS command to view the process ID and currently running processes, where we have a process G edit which is we have created. The process ID for that is 14238, and the TTY is the option to show the processes which is running by the operating system. And this is the time, and this is the command which is used to start the process. So we can now kill the process which is we have created, kill G edit, or we can simply write as a kill one its process ID. Now let's type PS command. So here it is, the G edit process is terminated. Now let's open the G edit process again. Let's start this process again. G edit. Okay. Now let's quickly see the top command. Top here we can see the it says the two users, which is actually I have a two users called rider and a psycho. The load average is something that the average time we load this process, all the processes. And task, the it is a task completed by all the running processes, which is these all are actually a daemon process which is already always running in the background to provide the service of the operating system. We have a two process on there now, and two and two processes are sleeping in the sleep, waiting on the sleeping stage. Now the CPU utilization is at 12.1 US, 3.5, 3.0 SY, and 4.6 NI, and 78.6 ID, and this all stuff. It's a kilobyte of memory is used. It's actually available space, and this much space is used, and now this much space is free for the usage, and this is a buffer size which is used by the Ubuntu, and this also a swap space. I'm not going to deep into the swap space and all. Now let's just quickly stop this stop. Now I'm gonna show you the stop function. It is another representation of processes where the memory usage is shown like this way, so the better understanding will be provided by this. So we have options of help, setup, search. We can search this using this in multiple processes which is running by the operating system. It's actually a root user. This is actually a root user which is creating the process, and this all the processes created by my user, which is psycho, which I have created. And this process ID number and process request number actually, and this is CPU utilization, which is max in a Kazam, because I'm recording this video in a Kazam only. So it's a sort by and tree and all these commands, and we have a nice option. We have a kill. We can directly kill this option. We can escape this. Now I press the F10 button to quit this. Now we have a ESOX command. ESOX. The ESAUX command is also used to show all the processes which is currently running. It shows all the processes, where it is started, how it is started, what's the time, and what the command used to start all the processes, which user has started the processes. Actually, whenever we start the Ubuntu or we boot the Ubuntu, all the processes is created by the root user only to provide the services. Now then I used to create all these processes which is used by me. So this is all. Now we have a ps graph on. Let me just type right command. We have p graph actually. P graph gedit. It will show the process ID for the currently running process. We can correct it using this only. Ps gedit as a process ID of 14280, and we can also show that process ID is 14280. Now we have a renice command, which is actually very interesting command. I have seen that. We can simply change the priority of the currently executing or currently running process. We can set 916 to gedit, which will change the priority to 0, from 0 to 90. So these all are the process management commands. Now I'll shift to another part of this video, which is use and group management commands of the of this Linux Ubuntu. There we have a first command called user add space username, which we have to create. I'll write my name. It will show the permission is denied because I'm not logging it with the root user, and my psycho user don't have the permission to create another users. So let me quickly log in with a root user, and this all. We can write a sudo su for logging in the root user. I'll quickly enter the password. We can write sudo hyphen I to log in the root user. So, I'll open the terminal for this. So user add Prithvi. Now the third type is we can directly write the sudo in command only, and we can press the enter. We will enter the password, which is wrong, I guess. So yeah, I'll write the right password. Okay, sorry about that. Oh, sorry. Actually the caps lock is on. So, and now I can write this sudo user. Actually it is added. Now we can see this user is added. Now we set the password for this. Passwd slash username, which is Prithvi. Passwd, you may not view or modify the password information for Prithvi because we don't have a root user privileges. So we can change the password now. I'll type in the password is successfully written. Now we can see the to view the list of the user we have created. We can type the cat /etc/passwd command. Here we can see the Prithvi user which we have created now only. Actually the users which we created after booting the Linux Ubuntu, we will see in the back at the bottom only, and all the users which is present is shown on the top. Now let's just quickly see another command, which is user dev space username, which will delete the user. We don't have a permission. Sorry for that. User is deleted. See, now we can have another option for user add, which is minus space hyphen d to specify the home directory for the user which we have created, which it is like this. Now we can set the password for this user again, which doesn't. Now we quickly see the home folder for the user which we have created. It's home only, like we have created. Now we simply delete the user because I don't want this user in laptop. So yeah, the user is deleted. Now we see the group command. So let's add the group add space group id user group hyphen p. This allow you to add the password. I'm keeping password as a password for the set of understanding. Sudo password. The group is generated. Now we quickly delete this group because we don't want this. The group dev name group dev space group name user group is deleted. Now we have an option also for group add. We have a hyphen r option for adding the system group. This is something like this again. We have a list of groups over here, so let's delete this group dev system group. So let's delete it. Now thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please share and like this video.